Ah, it's gone dark. There's probably like a time limit on how long you're supposed to use golden syrup, but we'll use this. I need 100 grams. Got the ginger. We've got the daikon grater. This is good for daikon?
Yeah, mooli daikon.
Mooli. I'm not very good at grating, so I always kind of catch my fingers a little bit. So I'm going to be careful. Probably don't have golden syrup in Japan.
Oh, maybe not. Just maple syrup, maybe.
Yeah, that's quite different. We've got the bicarb in with the flour. Our flour was looking a bit strange, so it might just be a bit old, but it's for a biscuit, so it's fine. So I've got my flour bicarb in there, and I'm going to add the ginger in there as well. Mix it all together. Well, that's why you're not supposed to put the fresh ginger in ground ginger, but I don't care. So we've done that. So you're supposed to let it cool. I'm going to let it cool a little bit. So this is mainly so that the egg doesn't get cooked. This is our sugar and maple syrup, and not maple syrup, sugar, golden syrup, and butter. Oh, it's a bit stiff, isn't it? And how's this mixture doing? There you go, they're all 20. Apart from these middle ones, but they're good enough, so we'll do that. We'll put them there, and then yeah. Oh, they've spread a little bit. So the ones at the top look really good, like ginger.
Oh.
They're a bit soft, but maybe they'll harden up.
Yeah.
I guess. He's certainly a bit over. So we'll let that cool. They look like ginger biscuits.
Yeah.
The others at the bottom obviously need longer. Give them a bit longer. These ones look pretty good. Obviously they're a bit soft, but I'm hoping they'll harden up.